x squared minus y squared equal to x minus y cubed. X and y are integers and x and y are between -5 and 5. So on the left hand side we have x squared minus y squared. We can factorize. We have a famous factorizing that a squared minus b squared equal to a minus b times a plus b. Now, if we use this, left hand side will be x minus y times x plus y equal to right hand side, which is x minus y cubed. Now in next step, we divide both sides by x minus y, but if you want to divide it by x minus y, x shouldn't be equal to y. It means x minus y shouldn't be 0. So case 1. If x minus y equal to 0, let's consider this case first. Then both sides will be 0, and in this case we cannot divide this part by 0. So then we conclude x equal to y. And if we consider main equation, both sides will be 0. So x equal to y is okay, because x and y are between integers -5 to 5. So x equal to y equal to -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right, 4, 5. So we found 11 answers here. Now let's consider case 2. In case 2, we can say x minus y is not 0. So if we use this identity, let me call it star. By star, let's rewrite star here, x minus y times x plus y equal to x minus y cubed. Now we divide both sides by x minus y. So on left hand side, we can see what we can see, that x minus y will be cancelled, x plus y, and the right hand side will be x minus y squared. Why x minus y squared? Because x minus y cubed over x minus y is this. The reason is this: a to the m over a to the n equal to a to the m minus n. So if you divide this by x minus y, it will be x minus y to the power of 3 minus 1, which is 2. Now, from this part, we should expand. If you don't know x minus y squared is what, you can write it as x minus y times x minus y. On left hand side, we have x plus y. On right hand side, this part, it will be x squared minus xy minus yx, which will be -2xy, minus y times minus y will be plus y squared. So here we take x and y to right hand side. So let's see, it will be 0 equal to x squared minus 2xy plus y squared minus x minus y. That's right, x squared minus 2xy plus y squared minus x minus y. This is equal to 0. Now we can say it is quadratic equation in terms of x. Means what? 0 equal to x squared plus x minus 2y minus 1 plus y squared minus 1. And by quadratic equation, we know that if you have ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, then x equal to -b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. You should memorize this. Now, if we apply this here, we conclude that x equal to -b 2y plus 1 plus minus square root of -2y minus 1 squared minus 4 times a times c y squared minus y here all over 2a, which is 2 times. Now we want to simplify. So let's consider the thing inside the square root. We call this part. We call it delta or discriminant. So let's write that. Delta or discriminant, it should be perfect square because x and y are integers. Negative 2y minus 1 squared minus 4y squared plus 4y. So if we can write it negative 2y minus 1, negative 2y minus 1. If you don't know the formula, minus 4y squared plus 4y. And if you write it negative 2y times negative 2y, it will be 4y squared. Negative 2y times negative 1, 2y, negative 1 times negative 2y, 2y, 2y plus 2y, 4y. Negative 1 times negative 1 will be plus 1. Minus 4y squared plus 4y. We can cancel these two terms. It will be 8y plus 1. So 8y plus 1, because it is in perfect square, it should be perfect. Because it is inside square root here, it should be perfect square. We know y, x, and y are between negative 5 and 5. So because it should be perfect square, y, negative 1, negative 2, these numbers, it will be negative, it's bad. For 0, it's good. For 1, 8 times 1 plus 1, 1 is also good. 8 times 2, 16. Plus 7 plus 1, 17, bad. 8 times 3, 24, plus 1, 25, good. 8 times 4, 32, plus 1, 33, bad. 8 times 5, 40, plus 1, 41, it's bad. So we found 3 good numbers for y. Now let's analyze. If y equal to 0, then x equal to, we use this formula. 2y plus 1, which is 1 plus minus. Square root of, this is discriminant, square root of 8y plus 1, which is the square root of 1 over 2, which is 1 plus 1, 2 over 2, 1, 1 minus 1, 0 over 2, 0. So let me write all the answers here. At the end of the video, we will check them. x1, y0, x0, y0. If you check y1, x will be what? Will be 2y plus 1, 2 times, here we use this formula. 2 times 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus minus square root of, we've calculated, 8y plus 1. 8y is 8 times 1, 9, 8 plus 1, 9 over 2. It will be 3 plus minus 3. 3 plus 3 over 2 is 3, 3 minus 3, 0. Y equal to 3. Then x equal to, again we use this formula. 2 times 3 plus 1, 7, plus minus 8y plus 1, 25 over 2. So 7 plus minus 5 over 2. 7 plus 5, 12 over 2, 6, 7 minus 5, 2 over 2, 1. Now, if we write other answers, x3, 1, y1, x0, y1, and x6, y3, x1, y3. So we found, but the problem says what? Says x and y should be between negative 5 and 5. So we can say, except these answers, all answers are okay, we should check them. X squared minus, the main equation is x squared minus y squared equal to x minus y cubed. So let's check. The first equation, x1, 0. Both sides should be 1. And the next one, 0, 0. It's okay, both sides will be 0. x3, y1. Left side 8, right side 8. Okay. This one, 0, 1. Both sides will be negative 1. This one, left side negative 8, right side also negative 8. So 1, 0, 0, 0, 3, 1, 0, 1, 1, 3. We found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 answers. Okay, if you had question about the solution of this problem or wanted to learn important ideas that are useful in all topics of math, feel free to send message to my WhatsApp number in the description and comments. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell, like the video. Thanks. See you next time. Bye.